why should you be the next Miss Supermodel Worldwide Philippines?
I believe I should be the next Miss Supermodel Worldwide because I just do not embody the power of a woman who's in fashion, who's a model. And since I've been doing modeling a lot and it became my passion, it also became one of my side hustles to earn money and to help my family. So I believe that I am the next Miss Supermodel Worldwide because I am ready to give back the back-to-back crown on the international stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Rita, for your comments.
Good afternoon. My question is for Miss Sultan Kudarat. Miss Sultan Kudarat, what physical asset do you have that should make you win the title of Miss Supermodel Worldwide 2020?
Nice question. Thank you. For me, my physical aspect, thanks to my parents. So I think my lips. So people bashing me or talking negatively about my lips. They have bigger lips. So they talk about. They told me like I have this lip fillers. Like I do operations like that. So for me, this one, because this is like the part of my mouth that I can use my voice to share my advocacy. So to share with you guys, I'm from Sultan Kudarat, and I moved here in Manila when I was 19 years old and studied Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, and also I'm a call center agent. So I'm a working student. So by doing that, I can send myself to school and I can support myself. So I'm an independent woman. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna show to every woman, especially to the younger generation, that it doesn't matter if you have a small support system. You can do a lot of things as long as that you have trust to yourself. So for me, I think that you have to be, madiskarte. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much to our media friends and of course to our Miss Supermodel Worldwide Philippines 2025 candidates for answering these questions. Now to officially close our event for today, let's hear from the person behind the vision and organization of this pageant, the ever hardworking Mr. Ron Litao.
It's me again. On behalf of the management of Telmet Media Corporation and our chairman and president, JJ Makiran III, I'd like to thank everyone for gracing our event. Miss Supermodel Worldwide Philippines is again a new find in the pageantry, and more than 50% of our delegates actually this is their first time to join any pageant. And we are the entry level pageantry for a lot of these young girls. And that's actually a positive goal for us. We want to be the first to really share to them how these things are done, how can we help them evolve, improve, and being true to our theme for 2025 Faces of Blue. We also want to see these girls grow in this industry, in this career, and we want Miss Supermodel to be the first in their journey. So thank you very much, everyone. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga kandidata ngayon. Thank you. And sana po, subaybayan niyo po yung aming journey as we evolve all of these girls. They will undergo a lot of trainings, and once you see them again in our next media conference, you will see yung changes na pinapromise ng Supermodel Worldwide Philippines. So maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ron Litao. And with that, we officially conclude today's session ceremony for the Miss Supermodel Worldwide Philippines 2025 candidates. Thank you to everyone for your presence and support, and we look forward to an exciting and inspiring journey ahead. Good night, everyone, and see you soon.